How long have y'all been headquartered here?
Since the early 80s. They had an office in Louisville prior to that.
Inside the Kentucky Education Association's Frankfort headquarters, there's concern that state health insurance costs for thousands of Kentucky teachers could soar.
I knew if they were going to cut income taxes again that there would have to be cuts made elsewhere. I was hoping that it wouldn't be to health insurance, to such a basic need that people have.
The group's president, Joel Wolford, is calling on Kentucky lawmakers to scrap the cap. It refers to a provision in House Republicans' draft budget that would limit contributions to health plans for state employees. That includes teachers, school bus drivers, and state troopers.
If this passes as is, and we have an increase in premiums, it's only going to get worse.
Retired workers are voicing their concerns too.
We're in a crisis situation.
Education advocates argue the budget bill, if passed as is, would result in monthly benefit losses starting in 2027.
Around $500 per month.
But GOP leadership in the state legislature cautions people not to overreact as the budget bill is far from final.
There are no numbers to even be flexible with at this point.
Republican House Speaker David Osborne tells me lawmakers are still waiting on data from the Beshear administration.
But it's ridiculous that they are expecting us to pass a budget, adopt a budget, accept their numbers without giving any evidence as to why those numbers aren't forthcoming.
Republicans have warned economic conditions may mean 2026 is a year to pull back on spending, while Democrats want to dip into the rainy day fund to pour more money into health care and public education. In Frankfort, Isaiah Kim Martinez, WHAS 11 on your side.
And we have just passed the halfway point of the Kentucky General Assembly, and the state budget for the next 2 years is still quite some time away before being finalized.